Hi everybody! Today I've finally got out metal detecting again, and I'm going to do it right here in front of this old building built in the 1880s, where I've been sifting for treasures over there. Take a break from that and do some metal detecting because it's thought that this building was used to, as kind of a store for people in this area for a while, around the turn of the century, 1900-ish. And so I'm thinking maybe out here people got off their horses and did stuff with money. So maybe we'll find something. Who knows? So far I've been out here once or twice and found a lot of nails and wire. So we'll see. We'll keep going through it and see. And another thing, sporting a new t-shirt. It's t-shirt weather, so I got my Excalibur shovel t-shirt on and hat that I won. And check out Casey's Excalibur shovels. They're really great. I have one of those right here. It's really awesome, very strong and sturdy. So you go to his website, excaliburshovels.com, and check him out. Okay guys, the first really good signal was, you guessed it, a beer can. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, so far I haven't found anything. I had a good signal in that hole, but I think that it might be the wire, but I'm going to check again. And I did find these items on the surface, but all these other things I found in the hole. Some odds and ends of nails. But that's kind of a cool one there. All right, let's see what else we can find. Hi everybody! I got waylaid the other day, so I didn't hunt very much. I just dug this hole and halfway filled it in before I got taken away to do something else. But all I found in there was some nails, wire, stuff like that. So let's see what else we can find today. I heard a good signal over here where I had my metal detector leaning against the fence, so I'm going to check that out. Well, there is where the signal is. Have it sit here against the fence. It's like an 82-ish, and there's other signals as well. And the other hole got filled in. I did find a piece of wire that I had to check and a bolt. And now I'm on this section. So check this out. So right here is where the signal is that's supposed to be good. Wonder what else is down there. Let's check. Check out my Excalibur shovel. Well, our first item is an old bolt. Yep, right there. The second item is a piece of a nail. Oh, looky there. Lovely square nail. Well, that is a nail and metal fused together. A nail piece. Another rusty thing. Another rusty thing. My goodness. Another rusty piece. Another rusty piece. I should just bring the sifter over here, shouldn't I? Well, I've set my iron to 40 so I don't hear everything on the metal detector. Let's turn you off for a while. Well, as I'm digging the hole, I found an old bone, which could be somebody's deer bone. I don't know. We've harvested a lot of deer. Let's see what else we find. There's a starling nest in there. Okay, so I got this deep hole, and something down there. What is it? Well, I have filled in that hole because I didn't find anything good, even though there was a good signal. But you can see out of 2 holes, I've got all this stuff. Check out these other videos for some more treasure hunting adventures. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.